Today, I'm doing a Mario Kart tier list. I start with Music Park. It's good. I'm going to put it in A because I think that's where it belongs. Cloud Top Cruise, I'm going to put it in B. It's not horrible. Dolphin Shoals, I'm going to put it in C. I don't really like that one. Cheap Cheat Beach, C. Royal Raceway, I'll put it in B. TikTok Clock. TikTok Clock's a good one. I'll put it in B. It's average. Twat Ruins is an A. Shy Guy Falls is in B. Rainbow Road is an A. Piranha Plant Slide is a B. Wario Stadium is an A. Wario Circuit is that. Electrodome, I like Electrodome. I'm gonna put it S because I really like that one. Bone Dry Bones is A. Dry Dry Desert is A. Sherbet Land is A. Mario Circuit is C. Mario Kart Stadium. Where'd I put that? No. Mario Kart Stadium is B. Mount Wario is S. Rainbow Road is A. Toad's Turnpike is D. I hate Toad's Turnpike. Excite Bike Arena is D. Donut Plains is C. Sunshine Airport it's B. It's B. It's not bad at all. Sweet Freak Canyon is B. Toy Harbor is A. Golden Volcano is A. Moo Moo Meadows is, I'll put it in B. DK Jungle is B. Neon Bowser City is C. Animal Crossing is D. Big Blue is B. Ribbon Road is C. Yoshi Valley is S. Baby Park is C. Bowser's Castle is S. Yoshi Circuit is C. Hyrule Circuit is A. Ice Heights Outpost is B. Mute City is C. Dragon Driftway is D. Cheese Land is C. Twisted Mansion is A. Water Park is A. I don't know what that one is, but I'm going to do it. Rainbow Road is A all day. Super Bell Subway is no, hold on. Super Bell Subway is S. Wario's Gold Mine is S. And Wildwood's D. Alright guys, I'm gonna give y'all 1 second to look at my tier list. No wait, Music Park is S. I'm gonna give y'all a minute to look at my tier list. See what y'all think of it. Alright, well that's it for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.